Welcome back to Albany County Fasteners, Fasteners 101. Today I want to show you how to properly change a blade in a utility knife. Let's get started. So I have my utility knife here. This is just a standard utility knife. This is like a $5 utility knife. You can get more expensive utility knives unless you're a contractor or one of those guys that are using it professionally every day. This will do. This is a very simple unit. And now I'm going to show you how to change the blade properly. You need a number 2 Phillips. Let me get it out of my case here. Okay. And I'm just going to unscrew this Phillips screw right here. I'm going to take that out. Remove the screw, and then you just pop this top off. So this whole mechanism comes out of the utility knife or the casing. And then in the back, typically in the back of the utility knife itself, they give you a little package of additional blades. In this case, they give you 4 extra ones. So you take the blade out of there. You take this, the mechanism that it snaps into. So now there are two holes. So it's only one you can get it into. All right. So 2 slots there. You see those 2 slots? You can only get it into one, and that's the only way it'll fit. And it should fit snug in there. You shouldn't get a blade that is sloppy and moves around in there. It should just fit perfectly, as I'm showing you here. And once you have that, you can just slide this, put it back in there. But the key to this is pushing this down so it will slide back and forth. Now, when you put the top on, there's a lot of people run into this problem. If they don't put that in properly, it won't adjust for you. And then this is like a hinge. You just snap it in like that. And before you put the screw in, you start screwing it, make sure that you have rotation, that it's sliding back and forth for you. Put the screw back in. Put the screw in, just snug the screw, don't over tighten it. Don't, I just tightened until it stopped. And there you can see that it moves freely. A lot of times people over tighten this and put all their muscle into it. And then in this case, it's not happening, but in some utility knives, it will not function properly. There you go. Thanks for watching. There you go. Subscribe, like, comment. Visit us at albanycountyfasteners.com for 50,000 SKUs right off the rack, ready to ship. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.